With the Huawei P20 Lite being the latest budget offering from Huawei, which not only has a notch but also has a good camera, or shall I say cameras, I got a chance to play around with the P20 Lite for a while, and here is my first impressions on the Huawei P20 Lite. Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from my boy abgeekexpert. With that being said, let's get started. So the P20 Lite comes at a cost of Rs 20,000 with dual cameras, some great specifications and a notch. The very first thing you will notice as soon as you take this baby out of the box is that gorgeous glass and metal sandwich back. You just can't ignore how beautiful this phone looks. Even the software side of the P20 Lite is quite promising. The Lite runs on EMUI 8, which by the way is a custom skinned UI of Huawei, which is based on Android 8.0. And as EMUI is a custom skinned UI, it has some trick up its sleeve, like face unlock, themes, dual apps and whatnot. So if you're a customization nerd, then EMUI won't let your hopes down. Now let's talk about the cameras. So the P20 Lite has a 16+2 megapixel rear and a mammoth 24 megapixel front shooter. Although I didn't get any chance to click pictures with this device, but I'm pretty sure that this will be on par with its competition. But anyway, hit me up in the comments if you want a dedicated camera review on the same. Overall, all I can say from my very first impressions is that the P20 Lite is a gorgeous phone at a price tag of Rs 20,000, and the blue color also adds some great looks to the phone as well. And I guess that's pretty much it regarding my first impressions on the Huawei P20 Lite. I know it was a really short video, but do let me know if you guys want a full review on the same. With that being said, I'm my boy Expert and I'm signing out.